Good day, everybody. Trust you guys are well on this beautiful day. Today I came to speak to some people, and many may not like it. Many people may not accept it, but I'm just here as a messenger to drop in. I'm just here as a messenger. I will say it again. I'm just here as a postman to drop in a note and say, let us be grateful. Although things may not look like it's going your way, although things look like it's not, it's not, it's not that God's gonna do it, but still be grateful. You lost your job, but yet still be grateful. You feel like everything is against you, but still be grateful. You feel like you lost your job and you lost everything, but still be grateful. Sooner or later, it will turn in your favor. It's not easy, but it's worth it. But still be grateful, although it look like it's not gonna come to pass, it's not gonna happen, but still be grateful. I'm here to tell you gratefulness leads to faithfulness. I'm here to tell somebody be grateful, be faithful in this season. And half of the year is done, but I'm here to say just be grateful that you're still alive. Just be grateful that the Lord woke you up today, that the Lord has still a plan and a purpose for you. I'm here to say be grateful, be faithful. God is in control. Know it, believe it, apply it, be blessed.